Wow, sayang, this house is freaking cool. We need to take this seriously. It will be fast. Somebody take this house. This is nice. You see all the gates, and then how big the in front. You see that? So cool. That's my friend Yuki. So this is the inside. See this. It's here. This is the second, the second bathroom. This is the main bedroom. Wow. And you can put your office here. The view right there. And go to this way. So this is the pantries. This is the living room right here. Yeah, the ceiling is nice. This is, you go to the kitchen. The view go there. This is so nice. See that? And this is for your washer and dryer. And this is the garage right here. You can't really see this. Oh, there you go. It's the garage. You can put like 2 cars in here. And then this is and the cool one is here.
It does have all these windows also.
Oh, okay. Yeah, can I have windows there too?
Yeah, they're double hung, double insulated. So you can open them. Daryl, can you open that for me? And you push these buttons on the side, and you can clean the outside.
What? That's cool.
Yeah, they're nice.
That's nice. Yeah, that's cool. All right. Let me go to this way. And this one, it's pretty cool. You will like it. You see that? It's a lot of